Hello kids! Today we are going to learn basic English Hindi words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Before we get started, do click on the red subscribe button if you haven't, because there are fun videos every day. Let's get started. Egg, anda. Again. Egg, anda. Can you read? Leaf, patta. Again. Leaf, patta. Your turn to read. Apple, save. Again. Apple, save. Your turn. Wallet, batua. Again. Wallet, batua. Your turn to read. Socks, mose. Again. Socks, mose. Your turn to read. Pillow, takiya. Again. Pillow, takiya. Your turn to read. Flower, pool. Again. Flower, pool. Your turn to read. Tree, पेड़. Again. Tree, पेड़. Your turn. Rainbow, Indradhanush. Again. Rainbow. Indradhanush. Your turn. Earth. Dharti. Again. Earth. Dharti. Your turn. Very good. Try to use these words and you will remember them very easily. You did a great job. Are you excited to meet Teaching Mumma again? I'm excited too. Do click on the subscribe button if you haven't. Subscribe to Teaching Mumma and watch fun videos every day.